Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we increase phone sleep time in Realme mobile. Guys, you want to increase your phone sleep time settings, so how can you increase? Today I will show you. So if your phone screen guys sleep in just minute and just second. So guys, you don't like this setting guys, you want to increase your phone sleep time, so how can you increase your phone sleep time? Today I will show you in this video. So now first of all guys, open your phone setting to increase. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Once click on guys your display and brightness. Again scroll friends, you can see guys your auto screen means your phone select time setting guys. Tap here. Once you want to increase, so guys you can increase from here. You want to increase into 5 minute, 10 minute, 30 minutes, so you can increase. So we will click on this 30 minute. So friends, after 30 minute guys your phone will sleep guys. You can check, you can try. So like that guys, you can increase your phone sleep time in your Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your display and brightness setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.